Are you an investor looking for premium market opportunities? Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Hello and good morning. Thanks for tuning in for the ASX Buzzing Stocks for the day here on Kalkine TV. Today, the Australian share market traded on a positive note with gains of 1.41% just after 10 a.m. Over the past 5 days, the index has gained 1.71%, but is down 9.22% for the previous year to date. The ASX All-Ordinaries index was up today, gaining 1.38%, and over the past week, the index has gained 1.53%, but still down 10.67% for the year to date. Then, on the other hand, the volatility index, the AVIX, was sharply lower today, dropping 12.48%, despite crossing above its 20-day moving average. And then in today's opening trades, the top-performing stocks were financial service company Hub24, with gains of 8.96%, or rather 69%, and the multinational tech conglomerate Block up 6.89%. Then on the flip side, the bottom-performing stocks included gold miner St. Barbara, which was down 6.72%, and media player News Corp, which saw a slide of 3.58%. All 11 sectors are higher today, along with the S&P ASX 200 index. And IT is the best-performing sector, gaining around 2.36%. Now looking to the buzzing stocks, an Australian supply chain logistics company, Brambles, has today announced its 2023 financial year first quarter trading update. Sales revenue from continuing operations increased by 6% in the prior period, and the company's sales revenue grew 14%, driven by price realization to recover input cost inflation and other cost to serve increases in all regions. Cheap America's sale revenue increased by 16%, and the EMEA sales revenue increased as well, 14%. And then for the Asia Pacific region, sales revenue increased by 9%. This reflects price growth of 5% and volume growth of 4%. According to the ASX release, Brambles has reconfirmed its guidance for the 2023 financial year. The company expects sales growth of 7% to 10% and underlying profit growth of 8 to 11%. The business also expects improved free cash flow after dividends, but remains a net outflow. Today, Brambles shares traded at $11.73, up 1.47% as of 10:29 a.m. Meanwhile, Australian artificial intelligence provider DroneShield announced it's been recommended by the US Department of Defense's Joint Counter Small Unmanned Aircraft Systems Office as a part of the Scientific Applications International Corporation Joint Solution for Counter UAS as a Service. The GCO recommendation stated that the Science Applications International Corp developed and demonstrated a robust system of system architecture with layered sensors and effectors to cover long-range and mobile of last-of-line defense. And DroneShield US CEO Matt McCann said that the company looks forward to supporting this partnership and expanding critical counter-UAS capabilities across the services. Today, the company's shares traded at 18 cents, up by 2.86% at around 10:30 a.m. Now that is a wrap for the ASX Buzzing Stocks of the day. Do stay tuned for more coming your way on Kalkine TV. I'm Holly Shields signing off.